Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Cot Admission nakabenta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, kabala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka Buy Admission ka Badunatam, but she's pa percent ka Jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Ukonrat kes sang ma Menteri Rangba Kejela haka artare gujemang arja arpunriu habapan Jingthmu na Halor kejingya yala persya sarkar da Voice of the People Party VPP ya kabala penlong hakeleng ki district ulaong baboro kidon ya kahok ban Dawa bat kumta danai ban Kynthoh namar bakakam ka khamkran jambha ban ya kaktin. Hakabiyadai pat bat Jingthmu ka Voice of the People Party bantur sa Secretariat laraki mat jing Dawa jongki Kim Orlong kumbapau na ki jingya kran haki jingya lang patba balapan lang da ka party Menteri Rangba ulaong dani ban Kynthoh Halor kani ka benta.
We have seen that the Voice of the People Party has started the public meeting across the state regarding the demands from the government. So what do you have to say on this, sir?
It's okay, everybody has a right to say, there's no problem
And
that. And I've always maintained that it's not about clarifying anything. Our works and our actions speak. We've always maintained in action, in deeds, in work, and showing our commitment towards the people. And that's how we have always maintained, and that's how I believe that politics should be. So it is more about what you do for the people and about the actions rather than just words. So therefore, I have nothing to say. Our words and actions will speak.
And sir, one more thing, they have even threatened to come towards the Secretariat of the government.
That's okay, as I said, I have no comments on that.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.